again. I hope that picked it up.
What are you bloody doing? You should be doing your intro, Ian.
I know, but we didn't have the microphone plugged in. I was playing with my gloves and trying to make them tight.
Leave your bloody gloves alone and just do your intro, will you? People want to see what you're painting today.
Okay. Such a long file for the beginning, it's stupid. All right, hang on.
You need a haircut too, Ian.
G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my video today. I'm going to show you how to do quite an awesome sun-coloured lit sky over the ocean. From a high hill, there's some people out there looking at this magnificent nature of colour, okay? And this picture was also supplied by John Towner. Is that right, John Towner? Yeah, by John Towner. Was also supplied by John Towner.
Stop fucking around here and get on with it.
I will. It was also supplied by John Towner. There's the size of my canvas, and I will also get some colours going up the screen for you like that.
Ian, you got to put your phone on quiet when you...
Hang on a minute. Yeah?
Can you bring your rolling pin?
What rolling pin?
The one you showed me, I can't find about that size. Hey, I got the other two.
Oh, righto. So are you right or what?
Just bring that.
Fuck around. Don't fuck around.
Yeah, no. Don't you start, all right?
I'm trying to film me, boy.
Yeah, right. No worries.
Got to do all that again. Stuff it. Just go from getting the colours up the screen, Ian.
No, the phone ring by John Towner. I'll put the colour... John Towner. There's the size of my canvas that I'm using. It's canvas cloth, and I'm also going to magically bring some colours up the screen for you, just like that. All right, that way you can write them down if you want to use the same colours. And don't worry if you don't have the same colours. Mix it up, make it your own. You get on over here and we'll get right into it. Oh, I need colours to sort out. Now I don't know what colours I'm going to use. I'm going to use Indian yellow, red gold, a bit of raw sienna and burnt umber maybe, and black, white, and that's it. Bit of retard. Do I need a pouncer? No, I want to do it because not everyone has a pouncer. So,
What do you mean not everyone has a pouncer, Ian?
not everyone has one of these things. I call them a pouncer, stippler, stamper, whatever.
Well, use your bloody finger, Ian. Use a brush. Use anything, you dickhead.
Yeah, I'm going to. I'm just looking at the picture. I'll use what I assume they would all have. So get on over here. Yeah, we said all that. So let's get the camera over here.
The LED lights weren't on.
Doesn't matter. I want to get up here because I'm sick of the brush when it goes into the middle. But when it goes to there, it auto focuses. So I need to... Is that going to auto... Because it bloody gets under my skin when it does that. All right, let's hope that's going to work. All right. So down...
No, go again. Okay, go.
So down on the canvas, I'm just going to use some what I call craft white. It's just a soft-bodied titanium white. It comes in big bottles like this. So I'm going to grab my putter on a brush and mix those two colours together.
Mix the living fuck out of them, Ian, because I'm sick of you doing just half and half, and then I've got to wait for you to do another bit.
Yeah, all right. Just relax. All right. Hang on a minute. Mixing those. Okay, so I've got that brush mixed with my putter on a brush. This putter on a brush is great for getting this onto the canvas. And now I want to stroke it left and right like a pure gentleman.
Stroke the living fuck out of it like a pure gentleman, Ian. Come on, give it shit.
There we go. I'll stroke that left and right. Now I'm ready for the colours. You know what? Why is it? Oh, don't tell me that. Now, my camera wasn't on. I've painted Indian yellow.
Just tinkering right across the top. Give it a go.
Now I'm going to wipe that brush again. Okay, I'll grab it on my finger because everyone has a finger.
Shove it on your finger, Ian, and get right into it.
Shut your mouth, little buddy, shut your mouth. And where I want my sun, which is about here, I want to just...
The sky is still incredibly wet.
Get it right up to there. There we go. I'm going to wipe that brush, pick up... I'll grab some more of that first, put that on there.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
I don't know, what is it? Oh, it's my fan brush.
Put it there, you bastard.
Okay, where are we? Now I've got that, what is it? Raw sienna, natural. So I've got some more of that raw sienna natural there, raw sienna.
Now why the friggin' hell did you change from your fan brush to a flat, Ian?
So I can get, where are we? Start from about here. Is it going to work? Some sharper lines there. Lightly press it because we've got white craft paint and retarder under here. And if you press too heavy, oh my goodness, you're going to think, what the hell happened? You're going to go right back to nothing.
That'll fuck them right up, Ian, won't it, if they don't listen to you?
Now, you can't talk to them like that, little buddy. They've got to learn a nice way, a happy way, so they love to paint. The silhouette is what's going to make this pop. At the moment, this painting looks a bit vast and empty of something missing.
Yeah, right, Ian, right. You carry on like you know what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
Don't you worry, little buddy.
Don't you tell me not to worry, you bloody bastard.
Shut your mouth. Okay. Now we can paint our silhouette on there.
Can you mix that paint up for the silhouette, Ian?
Yeah, all right, just let me move this out of the way. What
Colours you got? Burnt umber and black?
Yep. Okay, so I'm going to grab some burnt umber for me silhouette, and I've got two brushes. This one's for the big bit and the little filberts for the other bit.
What the fuck's the other bit, Ian? You're saying the other bit and they don't even know. They can't read your mind.
Yeah, well, the video will be edited out to that part. So, because we're going to have some trees here with the filbert, just to shut that little bastard up.
Yeah, you call him bastard, you bastard.
Shut up. So we're going to come up here. And be sure to hit my join tab there and become a member of my YouTube channel and get some perks, badges and emojis, shout outs in my live shows whenever I'm doing anything live. Okay. Yeah, that's not too shabby, is it? We've got a sun rising high in the sky. They're way up high. You can do it.
You finished, you long-haired git?
Shut up. Yes, I'm finished. I'm going to do the outro now. What do I do? Just put the frame on it. So the smoke isn't quite enough, but it doesn't matter. I know you can do it. All right, I had a lot of fun doing this painting. I hope you learnt something along the way, and if you did, be sure to comment below. Check out my new video, and be sure to tell your friends if you like what I'm doing, but if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya.